What's up, guys? People from YouTube, we are back with another video. Today we're going to be doing this little SUV, guys. It's a Ford Edge. We are going to be doing a deep interior cleanup, guys, because it does have a cigarette smell. They do have pets, guys, so it kind of smells kind of, you know, the pet smells. They probably have some accidents inside, so we got to deep clean up the carpet, clean up the leather, properly condition it, guys. And like I said, just through the outside, it's gonna be something basic, guys. I know it's been time, guys. We do have been working. I've been posting the short, guys, the short videos. Also, don't forget, follow us on TikTok, guys. That's where I also post the work, Instagram. And yes, guys, once again, we are doing this small SUV, guys. Like I said, it's not too dirty from the inside or the outside, guys. But it does require a deep cleanup on the interior, guys. Steam AC vents, properly clean up the roof. More specific, the carpet, guys, the seats. And like I said, it's leather, so it's not too bad. I'll show you guys right now a little bit of the interior, guys. We are gonna be working on this SUV. Like I said, we are back. I'm gonna show you guys also a little bit of today's day, guys. Today's Thursday. As of right now, guys, I'm gonna start setting up everything and start working on this truck, so let's get it. Okay, guys, we did remove the AC cabin filter. It is dirty, plus it kind of smells also like cigarette and a little bit of as a dog scent. The new one, guys, which will go right there, guys. So right now we're gonna head over to AutoZone, guys, and buy the new one so we can install it and start cleaning it up, guys. Is that AutoZone is like a block away from my house. So this is the light you get as soon as you exit my house, and you guys can see it, I was on right there in the corner, guys. Oh, we got a chase right there. So see you guys, I mean, it's pretty close by. So right now we're just gonna go buy, like I said, the cabin air filter and start cleaning up the interior, guys. Y como les digo, el AC filter le va a ayudar porque pues ya estaba dirty, ¿me entiendes? Está dirty, tiene ya poquito el scent. So might as well just get a new one, guys, and like I said, do the proper cleanup and then install a new one, let the AC run. So yes, guys, so vamos ahorita aquí para AutoZone para comprarlo. And like I said, it's brand new, completely white. So right now we're gonna get home and compare it to the other one, so you guys can see that it was pretty dirty, guys. And obviously, like I said, I mean, it doesn't have any scents. It's not penetrated or stuff like that with some odors or stuff like that. So it is gonna help the truck, guys, smell better. So that's why I decided to remove the AC cabin air filter, which I always kind of do, depending on the service we are gonna be doing, guys. Pero pues ya lo tenemos, guys, so vámonos para atrás a la casa. Ahí está la gas station, guys. I'll get the light. Y vamos a la house. Vamos a ver. This is the one it had. As you guys can see, it's that dirty. You guys can see it is dirty, and obviously a new filter can never go wrong. It's been time, like I said, it's a 2016, guys. So let me install it, guys, and then, which is pretty easy, guys. Nice tag, guys. You just install it, put it in, and just push it little by little, and you should be good. Ready. Okay, guys, the interior's finally done. The floor mats got shampooed as well, as you guys can see right there. So they got pretty deep cleaned up. Interior, once again, leather and everything. But right now we're gonna head over to Advance, guys. I'm gonna go buy it's kind of like a smoke bomb, guys, but it's for the, so we could, it helps on removing any bad scents on cars and stuff like that. So right now I'll show it to you guys. So let's head over to Advance. The interior is ready, guys. I'm gonna still leave the doors open. And yes, guys, let's head over to Advance. Guys, se me olvidó la camera en la casa, so I pull up my phone right now. Pues I mean, Advance is right here in the corner. It's pretty hot outside, guys, and I know we kind of barely starting with all this hot weather. Pero pues sí, guys, ahorita como les digo, I'm gonna go pick up that I don't know what's it called, guys, exactly, to be honest. But I'll show you guys right now. I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm talking about. Those that detail. And if not, ahorita les enseño lo que es. Está en caliente, guys. Pero ni modo, tenemos que trabajar. Los biles no nos esperan. Y pues sí, guys, como les digo, tenía mucho que nos ponía un video, so tengo ganas de aquí hablar con ustedes. Drop a comment if you guys like the content. Give me ideas, guys, if you want to see something different. What else do you want to see? Como les digo, I'm gonna be posting up a little bit of everything. People dropping comments about me talking English or Spanish or Spanglish or both. Guys, I'm out here in Laredo, Texas, which is border. So we do got people that understand Spanish, people that understand English. So eventually I'm gonna speak a little bit of both, guys. Y pues ya voy llegando aquí al Advance Auto Parts, guys. Vamos a ver dónde están, guys. Let me see where they at. There you go. Again, this one's the ones I'm talking about. So vamos a llevarnos uno, guys. Listo, guys. This is the one I'm talking about, so let me describe it to you in a bit. A ver cómo se llama. It says right here, guys, just whole car air refresher. So I guess it's just like a spray refreshener, I don't know. I mean, it says right here, so, but I'll show you to you guys right now how we're gonna be using it, or how it's supposed to be used. If you guys haven't used it, I do recommend it, guys. And if you guys have used it, please drop a comment, say some feedback on this. Do you like it? Do you don't? So let me head over back to the shop, guys, and just do the last installation or the last process on the SUV. Okay, guys, directions. It says right here, vehicle should be unoccupied, no person or pants inside. Number one, we need to start off the vehicle with the fan super high, guys. Number two, we're gonna trigger it. And three, I'm gonna place it in the center of the car. And four, I'm gonna close the doors. And it says, close all doors for 15 minutes. And then after the 15 minutes, we're gonna turn off the car, guys. And we're gonna be able to remove it. So it's 422, guys. Let me go ahead and turn on the car first. Let's see. The AC, it's at its plus already. Highest speed. It smells good already, guys, because of the new filter I applied. So now the AC comes out fresh. It doesn't smell like cigarette no more, guys. Let me place this right here in the center. What's that? Let me unlock it. Let me close the other door real quick, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm about to trigger this. It says we're gonna run it for like 15 minutes. And 3, 2, 1, go. There you go, guys. Let's exit the car and let it do its job. It's time already. So I'm gonna turn up the truck. The truck smells way better, guys. This, like I say, this helps a lot, guys. I did it insert, like I said, we bought a new AC filter, guys. Once again, the cabin filter. So I'm gonna turn off the truck already, guys, and I'm gonna leave one of my favorite car scents, guys, which I always use on all my clients. So this truck, guy, already smells amazing compared to how it used to smell. Ready, guys? So I'm gonna let the truck chill, guys, for a bit, and then I'm gonna call the client like in a few minutes, letting them know that the truck is ready. And once again, guys, let's see what else we do for the day. This was our detail for the day. Leather properly clean and conditioned. They look clean. Truck smells good. That's what they wanted. The carpet is clean. The mat's got shampoo as well. The carpet as well. So can you just imagine how the interior smells, how it feels? Everything all cleaned up, guys. The AC vents, once again the AC filter. So let me just wait for a few minutes and we'll call up the client. Okay, guys, we are here with, I want to say, part 2 or part of the video, guys, however you guys want to take it. We are going to be doing another interior today, guys. So let me show it to you guys. It's a Scatti. We're just going to be working on interior, no exterior this time. So check it out, guys. We're going to be cleaning up some stains, removing some stains, I'm sorry. Properly cleaning up the carpet, restoring the panels, applying leather conditioner, guys. The plastics. AC vents are gonna get steamed out, guys. And like I said, they're not too dirty, guys. You do see some stains right there. There's one right there. And in the back seats, guys, I mean, I'll properly inspect them right now, but it's not too bad, guys. We're still gonna properly clean up the carpet, guys, the mats, and like I said, guys, just the interior. We're not gonna be working on the outside, guys. Let's begin this process, guys. Please stay tuned and wait for the results. Red Scatti coming in through. The mat is pretty dirty, guys. So like I said, I mean, we're still gonna clean it up right now. And then right here, guys, you can see there's kind of like a black stain right here. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. Here, for example, here we do see some glass, guys, and some stains right there. So we're gonna properly clean it up and let's begin the process, guys. The charger's finally finished. Like I said, it wasn't nothing too crazy. Check out the results. Interior cleaned up, mats. Check out the dash, properly clean and conditioned, as well as the panels, guys. All cleaned up, guys. The seats, once again, like I said, the leather properly conditioned. Panels, AC vents steamed out, guys. Check it out. So now we're just waiting for the client to pick up the car, guys. And once again, another detail. Scatti interior fully done. Ready to hit the streets. All cleaned up. Last but not least, guys, you can hit us up. Any type of detail, guys. Polish, interior wise, we'll get it done, guys. We out here in Laredo, Texas. Check out the doors, properly clean and conditioned, guys. The seat. Now the seats look completely red, guys, as well as the panels, properly cleaned. And yes, guys, like I said, we do offer any type of detail services, interior wise, exterior wise. So please follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. 956 Detailing Masters, guys. And please don't forget to like, share, drop a comment, and subscribe, guys. Catch you guys next video. Okay, guys, just an update on my OBS. I haven't posted it in a while. We have the billet steering wheel. Shout out to Aiden's Wheel Detailing from H-Town, guys. I got it from him. And yeah, guys, I mean, it's coming along. I don't know what you guys think. I never did an update, guys. On the sound system, guys, I'm running 210s MB Quartz. I do have two doors, 6.5s, Nemesis. So let me just play a real jam, guys. Some jams, I'm sorry. Ahora más para que se vea un poquito el ruidito, vamos a ver.
I'm the dope boy, the one they talk. I'ma bust it open.
So there you guys have it, guys, a little sound check. Vamos a poner a ver aquí una de banda. Okay guys, and that's a little quick update on the sound system. I do want to get another 6x on the doors, guys, so I could have 2 and 2. That's gonna make it 4, guys. I want to see how that sounds, and we'll take it from there. As in bass, I think we're good from now on. I need to change up my windshield. It's cracked. I'm running on 22, guys. I need a drop as well. Check out the windshield. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's pretty cracked up, especially right here, guys. Y pues sí, guys, I'm sitting on 22s. All cleaned up, polished out by me. You know it already. Y pues ahí está la OBS, guys. Un poquito update. Ya tenía mucho que no la metía a los videos, guys. Y pues al rato hace falta hacerle más cosas, guys. Pero pues mira, ahí está el stance, guys. Sí me hace falta un little drop, nomás para que esté riding clean. I'm trying to get different wheels as well, guys. So if anyone is interested in these wheels or are interested in a swap, hit me up, guys. Drop a comment. 98 OBS. As from what I see, guys, I mean, it's pretty cleaned up. I do need a paint job, but I think I'm gonna wait first for the swap. Pero pues I think I'm gonna close the video already, guys. Thank you guys once again for the support. Let's continue the vlogs. Vamos a continuar el desmadre. Ahí quedó el sonidito, guys, para la gente que no lo ha escuchado. Y catch you guys next video.